everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chai tea cookies. Now the first thing that we want to do is to go ahead and get our ingredients. So we have flour, powdered sugar, normal sugar, milk, oil, we have baking soda, we have some eggs, butter, salt, and then we have some vanilla extract, and then last but not least, chai. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 and go ahead and line our baking sheet with parchment paper. The next thing we want to do is to take 1 stick of butter and half a cup of vegetable oil, and we want to go ahead and mix that up all together. It might not incorporate smoothly, but it will get there. After about a minute, it should look somewhat like this. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and add half a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of powdered sugar, and then we want to just beat that with the mixer until it combines. You'll want to do it on about medium speed. Once that combines, we'll go ahead and crack open an egg and we'll add that into our mixture. After we add the egg, we'll go ahead and add vanilla extract. We'll add just a little splash, not too much, not too little. Again, on medium speed, we'll just mix that to combine. The next thing we'll do is we'll get 2 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and just a little dash of salt, about 1/4. After we add the salt, we'll go ahead and add that into the mixture. Then, once we add that to the mixture, we'll go ahead on medium speed. We'll just mix that. Unfortunately, I realized halfway through that the mixer just wasn't doing a proper job, so I went ahead and got a wooden spoon, and I went ahead and just mixed it myself. Now for the important part, chai. We'll go ahead and add 1 bag of chai, including the tea leaves. It might be weird, but just wait until our finished product. So we'll go ahead and mix that all together just to incorporate it really well. We don't want to have one cookie with more chai than the other. And once we're done incorporating it, we'll go ahead and wrap the cookies in aluminum foil, and we will pop that in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Once it's done, we'll go ahead and take the cookies out, and we will start the process of wrapping them in cinnamon and sugar. We will take about an ice cream scoop of cookie and we will just dip it in the cinnamon sugar mixture and we will start putting it on the pan. It'll make about 12 cookies and we'll put this in the oven for about 12 minutes. And we want to make sure that we do not open the oven at all, as we want the cookies to bake evenly. I always like to set the microwave timer just so I don't forget. Now, while the cookies are baking, we'll go ahead and start on our glaze, which is milk, powdered sugar, and nutmeg. And in a medium-sized bowl, we'll go ahead and add 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. We'll add about 3 tablespoons of any kind of milk, it does not matter. Then we'll add a sprinkle of 2 or nutmeg, and we'll mix this with a normal whisk. We'll make sure it's about the consistency of about that. And once we're done with that, our cookies should be ready to go. We'll let them cool for about 10 minutes before we start the glazing process. And as for the glaze, you can add as much as you would like. There's no such thing as too much glaze. And here is our final product. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you do give these a try.